Hi, Emma. Just a quick question. So we imported last Thursday that list, which was 10,203 people. Yesterday, I created a category, a tag category called Opt Out, as you can see here. And within opt outs, I've got two. One is an exclusion tag, one is an unsubscribe tag. And I've done lots of mailings while using those exclusion tags before. But anyway, so I can see here there's 14 people, and I've gone through and looked at those 14 and just made sure enough, they're tagged accordingly. And here is my other list. So these are unsubscribed people. And this was exclusion tags. Now, these were imported as an Excel spreadsheet in bulk just with email addresses. So it was just email addresses, imported a list, then tagged that list as these things. And so all of these email addresses are tagged accordingly with these. The challenge I have now is when I go to do a create a list of people to mail to, tags, any of these tags. So with any of these tags, meaning import, and that'll be the import we did on Thursday, which is my 10,000 records one. Let me have a look. It's that one. Yes, because you. Anyway, prospect tags, leads 10,000. That's the one we imported on the 18th. So that's the one I'm going with. I'll do the prospect tags. But then, which is 10,000. But then when I go with doesn't have any of these tags, this is the problem. It doesn't have any of these tags. Where are we? Where's my opt-outs? Opt-out exclusion. And the other one is opt-out unsubscribe. So that doesn't have any of those people, of which in total there were 68. Remember, there's 10,203 here. When I go search, and I get that list, which would be my mailing list, can you see I've still got 10,203, and I'm expecting that to be 68 people less, so 10,100 and whatever. Yep, so I'm not mailing because the people I'm trying to exclude are people who have opted out or unsubscribed. As I say, those two lists were imported just as email addresses. My assumption is that, it would just be, maybe that's the error. But anyway, I'm not being able to don't mail my little exclusion lists. Any thoughts? Thanks, mate. Cheers.